when I feel like don't give me this. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right.
Freaking God. Look at all this stuff. Putting stuff in the washing machine while it's going full speed.
Okay, right. So what did we do to it? Do you remember?
Well,
We just hardwired it, right?
Yeah.
Into the motor. So we've got our old washer. It's all stripped out. You want to fire it up?
let's go.
Okay, let it get up to speed. Okay. What do we got here? How about
a brick.
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 All right.
A
Okay.
brick.
A brick. All right. Okay. Chuck it in there. Here it goes. Dude, you missed. Come on. In it goes. Whoa.
It is crazy. It's dead already.
Ah. Sure. How much longer do you think you can go for?
If it's still going, probably a bit. 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Maybe we'll pull. Whoa. Here, let's get the brick out. There's just the drill steel and the plastic trash. And fire it back up.
Yeah, I had to.
It's all right. It'll take a second to spin up. Okay, go. Okay. Come on, you can do it. You're gonna shut it off?
Look at all this stuff.
Yeah, I think the washing machine won, man. Okay, Rock. Hey, Rock.
Yeah?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit
Yeah,
the bell button
thank
down below. Bye. Yeah, it's done for.
It's done.